Hey everybody, this is just quick build of shelf for my balcony where I want to put all my flowers. Anybody can do this build with just basic tools and couple 2x4. Enjoy the video, see you soon.
So now we have two pieces 5 feet long, and now we need two more pieces 34 inches long. So let's go cut them. Now we have to cut the braces, so that's 4 pieces of 14 and a half. Now let's get some screws so we can start putting the side suit together and then go from there. Okay, so there is a little tip. Take your 34-inch piece, put it against the 5 feet one and make mark. Then when you installing the 14-inch piece, and then mark your bottom shelf. I'll do 24 inches from the top. So now when we have two sides standing, we can cut the table, top and the shelves. The shelf and the top will be cut from 2x8s. I'll cut them 36-inch long. It will be 4 pieces. Let's go cut it. So the main frame is done, the top shelf and the bottom shelves are done. I kept a lugette, so if I put something, it can just go through. because I'm planning to do like planting plants and stuff, so I just want to make sure everything just goes down, nothing gets stuck. That's why I kept some gaps between. And now I have the vision to make this back panel, so let's go cut it. I'm gonna cut 4 2x4s 36 inches long, and I keep 1.5 inches gaps between. Let's go cut it. And so now when I have the first 2x4 on the top, I would like to keep spaces between the rest of the 2x4s 1.5 inches. So I will use one of the 2x4s as template. I'll put it tight against the first one, and then I'll be continuing. And so the idea is to use the leftover of 2x8 as small little shelves between which can be removed, or I can adjust them. I'll cut it in half. I'll have a couple here, and I can always put it in, put it out. So, and now when I have done the rails, I'll cut some leftovers of 2x8, 8 to 10 inches wide pieces, and we'll be done. So I cut 4 pieces, 8 inches long, so they are ready for planters. I can move them left and right if I want to put something tall here. I know I should sand it and finish it, but I will need to go, so I'll need to take everything apart, put it in the car, and I'll finish it on my balcony.
Thank you for watching all the way to the end. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for future videos and please don't forget to subscribe and give me thumbs up. That will help to grow the channel. Have a good one. I'll see you soon.